Hello and welcome back. We are going to design DPDP decision playbooks today in this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy, talking about DPDP these days. And we are going to talk about the real relevance designing a playbook for your compliance needs to implement DPDP. Why do playbooks exist? Playbooks are a guide to you. Playbooks are a reference point to you. They should get regularly updated with your new experiences, either it's with something happening inside, or with something that you have read, or with something that has happened to a similar industry. So they should get regularly updated and they should act as a tool to you to decide when you get stuck. So playbooks are your guides. They are not your decision makers, right? They'll give you guidance that in such situations you should do this. Perhaps that guidance is based upon an experience of a similar industry. They support your judgment. They are guides, so obviously when you read them and take a decision, they'll support it. They are not a replacement to your judgment. They reduce your hesitation, but they don't reduce your flexibility. They give you options, they give you guidelines. There is a clarity. Who thinks about what? That means you are defining the roles properly and you are defining what all needs to be done under those roles. They don't require any extra tools or any extra workflows for them to run around. What does a playbook contain? A playbook contains escalation triggers, which means the moment there's an incident and you start following your playbook, every concerned person knows his role and things get escalated on time. Good documentation that can help you take care of things when required. They question your decisions. The roles are involved at each stage, right? And therefore your decision is being questioned at each stage. The documentation's expectations, what are you expecting out of these documentations? Is mentioned in the playbook. So you know which documentation to refer to in your given scenario. And then of course, review points that can help you be better prepared. And it can be taken in this way that the review points were designed keeping in mind how it works and how it's getting handled. Therefore, when you are working on those review points, they are guiding you that you should handle your situation in a way that these points are taken well care of. Common mistakes. Mistakes are there everywhere, and common things in playbook, making them too detailed. Right? They are supposed to be top line guidelines. They are not supposed to be large SOPs or something. So you should not turn them or not even try to or think of turning them into SOPs. They are automated too early. Are they? Or do people do it in some situations that they start working with playbooks too early? Well, people start working sometimes with playbooks too early. Using them only post incident, well, that's a pretty late thing that they are handling and treating them as a compliance artifact. No, they are not. They are guidelines to you. Your playbook should contain, and we discussed this earlier also, your playbook should contain what artifacts should be captured. But it does not mean that the playbook itself is an artifact. Your confidence, your DPO's confidence, your leadership's confidence, your regulator's confidence can definitely get enhanced if they know that you are following a proper guide in form of a playbook. That does not mean that it acts as an artifact that because there was a playbook, everything was hunky-dory and correct. Playbooks protect your judgment. You would question within your systems, why was this playbook made if you think the judgment based on the recommendations of the playbook are incorrect? And then if you're logically incorrect, then you update your playbook itself. It improves simplicity in usage. The clarity is there, due to which the delays are reduced. You are able to take faster actions on containing the impact as well as on notifying people. Documentation preserves the intent, and a good playbook should not disappear in practice. Even if now you know the playbook 100%, you should open it up whenever you are required to actually practice it. And rather, you should even do drills of playbooks when there is no breach or incident. So that's about designing a playbook. Best of the playbooks are rarely noticed. What is noticed is your work. Playbooks are only needed to guide you at the back end. So that's about designing a playbook for DPDP. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.